Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to trim and cut a video in CapCut. So let's just open up a video in CapCut. Let's say this is the video I wanted to add. Now you have several different options to trim or cut out portions of this. The first thing that you can do is tap on the video so that it is highlighted in white. And you'll be able to see the beginning and end of the video have those solid white bars. So I can take my finger and if I tap and hold on it, I can move it over, essentially trimming out the beginning or doing the same at the end, trimming out the end of a video. So that's an easy way to do that. However, let's say you wanted to just trim it to a specific point and you don't want to use your finger to slide it over. An easy way to do that is to get to exactly where you want it. And now we're going to tap on the split button at the bottom left. After you've seen that, let's just tap on it again. You can see it splits it into two videos. So here's one video and here's the second. I can just tap on this other one and hit delete. This also works if I wanted to remove out a middle portion. So again, I can tap on the video, hit split, and then scrub over a little bit and hit split again. And now if I select that middle portion of the video, hit the middle portion of the video, sometimes it's hard when it's really small. Let's just zoom in here, select that middle portion and hit delete. Now it will automatically jump from one to another as it goes back and forth. Now when you want to, just hit the export button and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks guys.